Hi, I'm Chelsea Evans. I'm a furniture artist, and today I'm going to show you some really cool things from Redesign with Prima. These are the Redesign with Prima stick and style stencils. They come in different sizes, so some are shorter and some are wider depending on the project you're going to be using them for. These are really cool on the inside of drawers, so you have a little pop and surprise when you pull the drawer out. They're great to put on the fronts of drawers. You can cut them up, piece them out, use a little bit or use the whole thing. You can use them multiple times because the stick on them works so well. So let me show you what they look like, okay? Come in a box like this. You're gonna open it up and it's like a sticker on a roll. Isn't that beautiful? I love the floral ones. There's polka dot ones, there's arrows. Pretty much any type of style of dresser you're doing or project, one of these is gonna work. So you guys wanna try it out? These are the stick and style stencil rolls from Redesign with Prima. And today we're gonna use the tea rose garden. It's one of my favorites and it has a really beautiful design of roses. So I have a little pot. You can get these little terracotta pots just about anywhere, but this is the perfect way to show you how to use them because it has some curve to it. So the great thing about the stick and style stencils is they are very sticky. So they're going to stick to curves, crevices, and corners, and you don't have to sit and hold them in place while you're applying your paint. So I've got the bottom painted, and then right over the terracotta color is where we're going to stick our stick and style stencil. So I'm gonna just cut this edge right here so I have a nice clean edge. And then we're gonna place it around our pot. And you just want to push it down and make sure that it's stuck to it all the way. So you get a nice clean design. The other cool thing I love about the stick and style stencils is you can reuse them several times. So if I was doing a whole bunch of terracotta pots at once, I could put it on, apply my design, peel it off, and probably use it 2 or 3 more times at least before I use more of the roll. And the rolls are quite large, so you're going to be able to use them on lots of projects. These are really nice on the insides of drawers. When you pull them out, you can see that design. I'd like to use them for that. And you can even do bleached art. So if you do painted fabric or if you bleach t-shirts, you can apply these to the t-shirt, apply your bleach over top, let it sit out in the sun, rinse it out, and then you have this design on a t-shirt. Pretty cool, huh? All right, so now I've got it all applied and it's nice and smooth. So we're gonna paint. I'm going to be using the Redesign with Prima chalk paste. This is really nice to use with the stick and style stencils because it's a little bit thicker than other paint. Although you can use paint, you can use the 3D fiber paste to get a 3D effect with it. Or you can even use the Decor waxes. So if you want a metallic look or anything like that, you can use those with it. So this color is called English Country. And it's kind of a really pretty gray gravy tone. Really beautiful color. And then we're going to use the Art Basics brushes from Redesign with Prima to apply it. You could use a spatula to apply this, or even your fingers really. But these are kind of nice to use, and they're small, so I like that. So I'm just gonna dab right onto my transfer. Sorry, cut that. I'm just going to dab right onto my stick and style stencil roll. And then once you have it all applied on there, you can go ahead and peel off your stencil and reveal the design.